Source points. We're now on the part 2 of the spiritual axis, chapter 1. The source points of the yang organs do not have a similar function. They do not tonify the yang organs in the same way as the yin source points tonify the yin organs. The yang source points are mostly used in excess patterns to expel pathogenic factors. For example, Li4 is used to release the exterior and expel wind. Si4 can be used to move stagnant liver qi and stop pain in the costal region. Bladder 64 can be used to expel damp heat from the lower burner. GB40 can be used for liver qi stagnation. Stomach 42 can be used to expel wind from the face in facial paralysis. And TB4 can be used to clear gallbladder heat, causing deafness, or to regulate the lesser yang. Of course, the source points of the yang channels can also be used to tonify the relevant yang organs, as chapter 66 of the Classic of Difficulties says. But this is not their main use, and they would not be the best points to do that. To tonify the yang organs, the best points would be to use the lower C points. One exception springs to mind, and that is that of triple burner 4. Chapter 66 of the Classic of Difficulties says that the original qi springs forth from between the kidneys through the intermediary of the triple burner. Therefore, the triple burner is like the emissary of the original qi. As the source points are in direct contact with the original qi, triple burner 4 can be used to strengthen the original qi, and this is used in this way, particularly in Japanese acupuncture. None of the indications from old Chinese texts refer to a tonifying action of this point on the original qi. The other surprising statement is the mention of pericardium 7 as the source point of the heart. This is because in the times when the spiritual axis was written, the heart and pericardium were considered as a single organ. Hence, the constant reference to 5 yin and 6 yang organs. It was only later that the pericardium and heart were split into 2 separate organs to preserve the symmetry of 12 organs and 12 channels. In the yin channels, the source points coincide with the stream points. That is the third point from the distal end of the channel. In the yang channels, the source point follows the stream point and is therefore the fourth point from the distal end of the channel, except for the gallbladder channel, in which the source point is the fifth from the distal end. To summarize, the functions of the source points from the spiritual axis are: the source points are in a relationship with the original qi. The source points can be used in diagnosis as they reflect the state of the original qi of each yin organ. They are used in the treatment mostly to tonify the yin organs. The source points of the yin organs are more important than those of the yang organs. So, okay, so this is what the spiritual axis considers the source points. Thank you very much for your attention.